Hello everyone. So in the previous session we have seen what is HTML and the structure of HTML and simple document of HTML, right? So in the HTML, so what is HTML? HTML is nothing but it is a hypertext markup language. It describes the content of the web page, and HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. So this we have seen in the previous video, right? So in that we are using a word called HTML elements. So what is this HTML elements? HTML elements. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, content, and end tag. Example is like this. We have a HTML element. Best example is a HTML tag, head tag, paragraph tag, and H1 tag, P tag, whatever we have seen in the previous session. These are all called HTML elements. See here in HTML, H1 is a open tag. This is the open tag, and this is a content, and this is a end tag. Same. This is a start tag. This is a content, and this is a end tag. So here H1 is a one HTML element, and at the same time P is also a one HTML element. So we have seen the what is HTML. So now what is the nested HTML elements? Nested HTML elements is nothing but element inside the element. Best example is a head and body tag. See here, this is a head tag, right? Open tag, and this is a close tag. In this open and close tag, we have another HTML element. So this is a nested HTML element. Like that, we have a body tag, start tag, and end tag. In between this, we have a some content with some other elements. We used some other elements in the body tag. So this is a nested HTML element. Okay. Now, void elements. Now we have seen the HTML elements, right? Void elements. Void elements is nothing but which we don't have the end tag. That is nothing but we have only the start tag. Best example is the image tag. Image tag is the best example. So it don't have the end tag. Okay. We'll see here. Here I'm going to use the image tag. Img is the image tag. In this image tag I'm using the src. Src is a source path. Src is equal to, in double quotations, I have to give the path of the image. Okay. So in the last session we have created one folder, right? Demo folder. In that folder we save the HTML file with the name index. This is a HTML file. And here in that demo folder only I have created one other folder with the name images. So in this images folder, I saved one image with the name AI master hyphen logo. It is in the JPG file. It is a JPG file. Okay. So this image path I'm going to give here. Okay. See, dot slash folder name images, and the image name is a AI master logo, and it is in the JPG, right? Save. Save. In the browser, refresh. See, we got the image. So here for this image tag we did not given any end tag. That is nothing but it is a void element. So and some other void elements are BR tag, HR tag, also the void elements which we don't have the end tag. Okay. Void elements cannot have the end tag. So now in this image tag here we use the src. For the image path here we use the src. Src is nothing but the attribute, and in the image path in the image tag only I'm going to give another thing, that is a alt. Here alt is also a attribute. Alt is a one attribute and src is another attribute. Src, oh, src is nothing but To give the image path, we are using the src attribute. And here alt is nothing but alternate name for the image, which is here alt is an another attribute. Okay, so attributes, html attributes. HTML attributes provide additional information about the elements, and attributes are always specified in the start tag only. So here for this image tag we don't have the end tag. So in the HTML elements, nothing but the paragraph tag and H1 tag all. In these elements also, we can use the attributes. Where we have to use those attributes means nothing but in the start tag. In the start tag, we have to use the attributes. For example, here for H1 tag, I'm going to use the style attribute. Style is equal to, in double quotations, I'm going to give color red. Okay, sorry. Save. Refresh. See, the heading color has changed to red color. Okay. So these attributes usually come in a value pair. Value pair is like name is equal to, in double quotations we have to give the value. Here also we did the same thing, right? This is a name. Name is equal to, in double quotations we have given the value. So here src is the name and is equal to, in double quotations we have given the value. So this is how we need to define the attributes. Okay.